If you are struggling when it comes down to acting more feminine and understanding what is feminine and what is not feminine, then this video is just for you. Hi ladies, my name is Yeva and I am one of Greta's high value women coaches. And in this video, I will share 4 feminine secrets that make a man want you more. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you take the self-awareness test to find out if you're a woman of low value or of high value. You can find that test in the description section right down below. Also, make sure to check out Greta's online store where you can find a bunch of really beautiful hoodies and t-shirts. You can find the link to her store in the description right down below as well. Check it out. The first thing that you can do is to let him be masculine. A huge feminine secret is to be in your feminine. So let me elaborate. Nowadays, I feel like women have to be or feel like they have to be much more masculine, simply because of society's pressure on women. For example, the pressure of society that women should be married up until a certain age, that they should have a good career, that they should have kids, that they should have at least a boyfriend, that they should look great, that they should be skinny, and that they should do 50-50 and stuff like that. And that they should be able to completely provide for their family because they have this amazing career and everything in their lives should be going amazing. I kind of feel like this is the message that society puts on women, and we have to remember that most of it is just not good advice. So make sure that you don't fall for this trap, because it actually puts women in this box that they should act more masculine than they naturally are. Instead, trust your guy to be the main masculine person in your relationship. Let him have that role that is natural to him. Let him be the provider in different areas of your life. Don't be afraid to do that. All you have to do is to trust that he will step it up. During that time, you should be in your feminine. Some women find it hard to be on that receiving end and instead pursue and initiate in order to make the relationship work. The second thing that you can do is lean back. Leaning back is another very big feminine secret. If you feel like you're the type of woman that has grown up feeling like she needs to control everything, this might feel very difficult for you. However, it is a true feminine quality, and it will actually make a man want you more because you will put more trust in his hands. So lean back and see what he does. A high-value man will take the lead because it will feel natural to him. He will take the lead and ask you out. He will pay for the restaurant bill. He will get you flowers. He will call you and he will initiate contact with you. This will only fully happen when you lean back and watch what he does. If you are, however, already in a relationship where you feel like you're making it work or you're being more controlling, leaning back might take some while in order to see results, in order for your guy to step up. He will step up if he is a high value man. So if you're new in a relationship or in the dating stage, set the standard of leaning back in the start of the relationship. That way he will be used to it already. I even used to do it this way. I would let the guy lead the conversation, and that way I would see if he is actually a true alpha type of guy, if he's a high value type of guy. An alpha type of guy who is interested in you will ask you questions and he will gladly lead the conversation. A high value man would act confidently. He would not be intimidated by a woman who is leaning back and acting confident herself. A low value man would feel intimidated. A high value man would fight for the woman's attention and lead the conversation if he is really interested in her. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Greta's YouTube channel right down below by clicking the subscribe button. Also, big announcement, Greta has launched her book, which is called Devoted Relationships. Make sure you get the book. You can get it by going on her website. It's an ebook. I'm sure you will absolutely love it. I loved reading it. I really did enjoy it, and I really do recommend. I think you can learn a lot. So go ahead and check out the book. The third thing that you can do is to let him take the lead. I remember being picked up from the airport by a guy. He simply ordered a taxi so that I would be picked up from the airport and driven to my house. I remember being picked up from work and being driven to my house by a guy that I was dating. There are men out there who definitely do these types of things, and they're glad to go the extra mile. In order for them to do that, you have to let them take the lead. Ask yourself and be honest with yourself, how often do I do things that I would actually like the guy to do for me? How truly feminine am I? When do I act masculine? When do I act feminine? And what are the actual situations? How can I act differently? Analyze that for yourself. Ask yourself, how often do I let the guy lead? Probably not often enough. The fourth thing that you can do is to take the attention off of him. Remember that it's extremely masculine to pursue a man. If you've been following Greta's channel, then this is not new information for you. You should already know this. It is very attractive for a man when the attention is not on him, and when he actually needs to fight in order to get your attention. That will actually make it more interesting for him because you will seem like a challenge. You will see him calling you and reaching out to you. The reason why pursuing a man never works is because it's not your job. Step back, like I mentioned, and be in the feminine by being on the receiving end of things in your own relationship. And if you are not doing that, then start doing that. It might take some time for the guy to make the transition, but it will happen. At the end of the day, you want to have a partner who is allowing you to be on the receiving end because he is the provider. Make sure to subscribe to Greta's YouTube channel down below if you haven't already. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section down below just how much you like it and give me a thumbs up. Join Greta's free High Value Women School to bring out the best in your man. It's a free Facebook group. You can find the link to that in the description section down below. And if you would like to know how to make him fall for you via text, games men play on women and how to handle them, how to get your ex back, how to set boundaries, or perhaps you have a hobby that you have been wanting to turn into an online business, Well, Greta has these videos and more up for sale on her website. So just go on her website and check it out. There you can find it down below in the description section. If you haven't heard yet, Greta launched a High Value Women course where she teaches women how to be high value from A to Z. It has everything you need to know. I absolutely love the course. Make sure you check it out. You can learn so much. It's such valuable information. It's also in the description section down below. And if you want to be coached by me, Greta, or any member of Greta's team, and you need help and advice, we're happy to help you out. Go ahead and book a coaching with us on Greta's website down below. Can't wait to speak with you. Also have a look at Greta's Insta. Her Insta is Ladies Relationship Coach. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching and I cannot wait to see you next time. Bye!